Hi everybody, welcome back to Hard to Study Informational. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily register your voice to your Bixby in your Samsung Smart Monitor. At first, scroll to the left where all your options are and scroll down to Settings. Click All Settings and here scroll down to the Advanced Features. Here scroll to Voice and click on Bixby Settings here. Here, the third option actually, which is here, is voice recognition, registration. Click on registration and let's begin. Hi Samsung Test, I'm Bixby. Nice to meet you. Help me remember your voice. Click Start now. And now. Great, you can talk to me anytime by saying Hi Bixby. Now done. And that's how to register your voice. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.